All right, so here it is. 1994 Toyota Camry DX. 2.2 liter, inline 4. With a sunroof. With a rear trunk light. That's rare. The sunroof is rare. Front windshield really cracked. Toyota windshield. The rear windshield is not cracked. It is not original though. As far as I can tell. It's got this horrible tint job. Yeah, it's green, which is honestly the color I wanted to paint my car. Rear taillights, decent. Stock exhaust. I don't see any dents. Cracking here. I don't know if this window works. The inside is disgusting. Headliner. Yeah. Oh, shoot. And I just noticed that. Door panel's cracked. And I just noticed that. So a lot of issues with this car. I bought it for $240. And then I paid him to tow it to my house. So I spent a total of $740 because he towed it for $500. And I got him down to $740 total from $1,000. So yeah, good deal. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do with this thing. I'm going to try to part it out. If not, if I literally can't make any money on this, well, guess what? I'm going to learn. So I just spent $740 for a crash course on how to tear apart a 94 Camry. It's an automatic, 2.2 liter, like I said. Got a lot of oil here. Valve cover was done before. As you can tell, there's a lot of oil everywhere. Yeah, I don't know, man. So there's some oil in there. Oil on here. These are aftermarket front engine mounts. I'm gonna have to lift this thing up. I don't know about the other mounts. I don't know about the trans mount yet. I don't know about the radiator. The guy said it cranks, but it doesn't turn over. So yeah, we're gonna go see that now. Here's the title, which I'm getting notarized tomorrow. This thing is gross. Like, no door handle. Let's go in here. Okay. I'm gonna have to pull clothes from the car. There might be something inside of here. Oh, man. Oops, all right. Battery's dead. All the way. Yeah, this thing's a mess. But steering wheel's in shape. If the trans is good, there's something with that. I don't know, man. It's a parts car right now. But who knows? We got a sunroof and it's green. Okay? And we have fog light inserts. Okay? So, could I bring this back to life? Yeah. Driver to satisfy you. All right. Got the Cusco strut brace here from a 23 GR86 holding this hood up. So yeah, I mean, carbon fiber overlay for the win. There's no throttle body intake hose. So, you know, that costs like $30 on Rock Auto. I don't even know what this is, and I should, but I don't, because my DX literally doesn't have this. What is this thing? I don't know what that is. Huh. What am I missing? Well, okay. So we got the throttle here. Going into here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm clueless, actually, about what that is. Well, anyways. This is my 94 DX Camry. We're going to lift this thing up. We're going to take the wheels off tomorrow. We're going to check mounts. We're going to try to charge the battery. We're going to see if we can pull codes. I'm going to have to get a different code reader, though. And yeah, we're going to diagnose this thing and see if we can get some money back. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date.